video, and today we are going to look at correlation and correlation matrix. So your correlation is just to find the difference between the monthly salary and experience, monthly salary and age. Then we look at age and experience. So the first thing, we'll use the normal correlation value in Excel, and then from there we will use the analysis toolpack to find the matrix now, which looks like a table, in a well-labeled table. So take this a few seconds to subscribe. Thank you for subscribing to the channel. So let's start with the one that will use a formula. So I want to find if there is a relationship between monthly salary and experience years. So we can type here correlation between monthly salary and experience. So to find it, just type equal sign, then correl, this one, double click it, and then select monthly salary, comma, and then the experience up to here, then enter. And that is the correlation. We can put it as a percentage. So it's 7% correlation. But let's make it go back to decimal places. Yes, then we can use find between monthly salary and age. Between monthly salary and age. We use the same formula, is equals to correlation, but we use like that. And you click this one, double click it, and then you're selecting monthly salary and comma, we are using this one, the age. We want to find if there's a relationship between age and monthly salary. And that is the value that we get. So these values, we interpret them. Let's start with this one. We're just using them as a percentage. So let's put as a percentage, we'll say, it says that 70% of the variation in monthly salary can be explained by the experience. So this one, it says the percentage. So it say 6% of the variation in the monthly salary can be explained by age. So with this, let's now do the wrong way. Now let's form the correlation matrix. How do we do this? You come here and click on data. Then you click on data analysis here. Analysis. And let it roll up, and it will load up. And you see this correlation. Click on correlation here. And then click OK. And then it says us to input range. We are inputting even the titles or the headers. So head monthly salary, experience, agent, experiences, and age. Then click here, and then the group by columns true, tables in the first row, yes. And then we want to output. I don't want it to be here. I want it to be in this sheet, so I want output to be. Let me click where I want my output to be. Let my output to be here. And then I click OK. And there we have our correlation. This is called the correlation matrix. So this is our correlation matrix, and we can explain it as it is. So we can click these values. Okay, it's not advisable. So this is the one that if you're asked to provide the correlation matrix, this is the one you're supposed to provide. Okay, So for example, you can see between experience and age, there's a correlation which says about 13%. So 13% of the experience can be explained, 13% of the variation experience can be explained by age. So of these three variables, the one that is stronger is between age and experience and monthly salary, and lastly age and monthly salary. And basically that's how you find the correlation and the correlation matrix. So this correlation that we use is mainly easier to use when you have two variables only. Let's say monthly salary and experience only. We don't have age. But since we had age, it's good to provide that in a correlation matrix like this one, so that it can be easier to interpret all the three at once. Thank you for watching and please subscribe. See you soon. Thank you.